Salam janai dia ase sob manuke. Moila nam Tsurila ase. Or this time moi Miss Grand India de Nagaland ke represent kurishe. And I have a good news for our Nagaland. I'm coming home with a crown. So moi itu time do apni han sob ke thanks dibole janai dibole mon ase. Moila well wishers khan, moila sponsors khan, aro moila ida viewers khan apni han like man morom paishe. Moi apni han ge bishi thanks janai dia ase. Apni han la vote, likes, comments, I have seen it, and thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Aro moila ga idia makeup artist khan Nagaland de team khan aro photographer khan pra luigina moila designers khan pra luigina moila designers national costume la designers pa luina gown la designers khan pra luigina apni han so prachiman be hard work apni han pra thaligina muge support kurishe apni han so ke moi bishi thanks janai dia ase. And as for my journey moila journey the bishi bhal dagishe man yadi Jaipur de tit 4 days Aisha in our Mahan Yadi be here for 10 days. To the 10 days I shared my room with Mizoram and with Densi from Dubai. So Mahan Tinjunbi, I think in the history of pageantry we made a history because all three of us we are going home with a crown. We are the only roommate who all three of us that we won the crown. I'm so happy not just for myself but also for my roommate. And this time Mahan participants are 28 contestants. So Miss Grand India la title to Vishaka ke jaise. She is from Rajasthan itself. In our Kurigina Mahan Passion winner thagishe. Mahan first runner up, second runner up, third runner up, that is me, and fourth runner up thagishe. So apne so ke moi bishi thanks janai dia ase. Kile kule do apni han la morom la true rahi moi aji jibi kote bi aishe jibi jidishe apni han la morom la true rahi jidishe parishe. Do want to thank you so much, and also to my girls, my participants from Northeast, to all the other candidates. We had candidates from Arunachal, from Assam, and even from Nagaland. There were 4 of us. Man Jarjun thegishe Nagaland brabi. So Nagaland there were Ayu thegishe, Pangmai thegishe, KV thegishe, Armoi thegishe. So even 3 of the other girls tahan bi beshi bhal perform kurigina. Tahan bi ekdam bhal performance digina tahan bi jaise. So I'm so proud for them, and I'm so happy that Nagaland has a crown, another crown. So Nagaland, kindly look forward to my homecoming and continue to shower your love, your blessings, and Abnihan Moila journey follow Creed Hagibi. And I pray that I will have a very powerful, impactful triumph and a reign. So thank you so much to all my well-wishers and to all my viewers and to all my loved ones. Thank you so much, and especially to my family. Thank you so much for being the core support system of my life. I'm coming back home soon, and I can't wait to meet all of you, to all my nieces, nephews, to my sister-in-laws, my brother-in-laws, my siblings, my mom. I'm so happy. Mojuldi Koraya today. Apa ina na tiam ching archo de. Isa Yimkhiung bo. Nasa yo queen tiam ching archo. Jumana you homecoming ching. Nasa na wait sang de. Nasa ala lagi you the amayo the nasa ala lagi na the makshe me kya cho. Nasa ala lagi the makshe. Thank you so much Nagaland. Thank you so much Northeast. Thank you so much India for the love that I have received. And I pray that I will continue to give it back in every way possible. And I pray that I will have a very powerful reign. This is your third runner-up Miss Grand India, Tsurila. Thank you.